To measure wrist flexion range of motion using dorsal alignment of the goniometer, the patient is seated with the shoulder in 90 degrees of abduction. The elbow is flexed 90 degrees, and the forearm is pronated. The arm and forearm are supported on the table, with the hand off the table, and the wrist in a neutral position. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is placed over the lunate bone. The stationary arm is aligned with the dorsal midline of the forearm and the lateral epicondyle of the humerus, and the moving arm is aligned with the dorsal midline of the third metacarpal.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to measure how much you can move your wrist using this tool. Please come forward. When I ask you to, I want you to move your hand down this way and hold it there. Now bring your hand down, hold it there,